In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add password on PDFs. It's totally free, so please follow my video. First, I'm going on Google. Then here I type add password to PDF. So I love PDF website because this is very drag and drop website. So just I need to upload my file here. So example purpose, I upload this PDF and you can see it's 2 page. So here I type your password. So example purpose, I use this password. You can see, so I highly recommend you for use strong password like this. You need to only click on protect password PDF. Now your work are ready for downloaded. So I want to download to my computer. It's already download to my computer done. So if I want to open, so trying to open, oh, I need to password enter here. So this is a method how can add password on PDF file using free methods. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe the channel. So if you have any questions, please comment below. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.